Good Monday morning again. It is Dr. Karanja inviting you to the Breakfast with the President. This Monday in particular, I just want to invite you to a very special day that we celebrate here in Beulah Heights called International Day. International Day is a representation of all the students from different countries. This year, we're going to have about 10 countries that will showcase about their culture, will showcase about their food and what they do in the country. But again, we also choose one country that will be the highlight of that day. This year, we are celebrating the country of Nigeria. Therefore, I just want to invite the students, the faculty, the staff, the alumni to come and celebrate. What does that mean? Why is that so important? Global or globalization is here to stay. Because there's so many people, wherever you go, it doesn't matter whether you're in the UK, whether you're in Greece or Africa, you're going to see people from different cultures or different from who you are. And how do you now, to avoid the surprise when they greet you, to understand about them in the class and in a different, friendly environment. Therefore, come and visit us. Come and try the food. Come and try some of the dancing. Come and hear some stories that you've never heard about. And I promise you, you will not regret. After that, there will be great lunch that will be set by these students from all these countries, and you can taste the Global Village food. Welcome. This Thursday, March the 14th. Yes, that is what I wanted to say, March 14th. We're going to do that. Thank you.